Hello everyone! Want that perfect angle of youth and a sharply defined jawline? Today we are going to do a powerful deep sculpting massage of the lower jaw. Remember the ultimate secret. We are working with the muscles here, not just the skin. It's this kind of deep tissue work that delivers a truly amazing visible result. It lifts the contour, releases muscle tension, and gets rid of all the excess puffiness. For this magic, you'll only need two things, your favorite massage oil and the Gua Sha tool. So if you are ready, let's get started. Let's take a little bit of our product, apply it to our palms, and gently warm it up with our hands. Now we apply the product under the chin, right along the jawline, and make sure to get the masseter muscles. Great! Let's start massaging the area under the chin. Our goal is to sink our fingers into this area as deeply, but as gently as possible, and work through every single muscle. Start by massaging the sublingual area, gently working your fingers as deeply as comfortably possible beneath the tongue. With one hand supporting the chin, use the other hand to make short, firm movements along the area beneath the tongue. Continue working along the side while maintaining steady pressure. If you don't experience any pain or clicking when opening your mouth, you can gently bring your lower jaw slightly forward before this technique. Then, using the Gua Sha tool, work along the area beneath the tongue while keeping your mouth slightly open. If you do experience pain or clicking, keep your jaw in a neutral, relaxed position throughout the technique. short, rhythmic pressing strokes work across the chin. Continue with the same technique slightly outward along the lower jawline. Hold the Gua Sha tool at a 45-degree angle to the jaw. Then move a little farther to the sides, continuing to gently knead the tissues. Work along the masseter muscle with the Gua Sha tool. Place your free hand across the muscle and gently pull the tissues downward to create light tension. Hold the Gua Sha tool at a 45-degree angle to the treatment area, then use short, controlled strokes as you work upward along the masseter muscle. Keep your mouth slightly open throughout the technique. Using your fist, gently stretch the masseter muscle dynamically as you slowly open your mouth. At the same time, use your other hand to stabilize the tissues beneath the tongue, creating gentle downward tension. That completes our sculpting lift massage. Thank you for joining me today. Wishing you all the best, stay healthy, take care of yourself, and keep shining with your natural beauty. See you next time.